pila lang dito guys. Angat ko na to guys.
Dad, natatakot akong...
Angat kang paa.
Huwag kang matakot, di mo ba alam nandito?
891. Should be an interesting playoffs kung sino-sino magkaka-partner-partner. What was the shot na? What was the shot na?
And that is how important a deflection is. Kakapasok lang ni Mariano, pero gato ng depensa.
Lalo si Malonzo, Troy? Lalo si Malonzo?
Tapos, nasa naman sila ng 24 ron.
Incredible pace.
Laki.
So bright for his team.
Yes, po yung magiging natin yan.
Nakaya talaga ito eh.
Dala pang lupa.
3 points, 2 out of 6 from the 3
Ano lang ganyan ito eh.
Ha?
Pag niya tanggal yan din, namamaga eh.
Ha?
Pag niya tanggal, namamaga. Pag may libo.
Back-to-back in the second quarter. Third quarter. Pagpuslo nila.
It is a big 23-point win para sa Barangay Nava.
Dati Marlin ako pumagayat yun, hindi pa rin din eh. Kaya alam mo yun tayo?
Ha?
Kaya alam mo yun?
Sino?
Si Marlin.
Marlon?
Ha?
Hindi yun ang kita.
Ha?
Umuwi na.
Saan?
Probinsya.
Wala na sila dyan?
Luzon. Tagpal na ako.
Ganun mo pa siya sa ilalim ng court? Ha? Ano ba yun eh? Doon siya nang upahan eh.
Lalas, may nagulong probinsya.
Sabi ng mga anak. Pati yung kapatid niya tayo?
Kapatid yata
Pati
yun.
niya ng pahan. Lakay.
Using the ball screen. Clarito. Attack inside. Pull up jumper. High game. 8 on the clock. Perkins staring at it. Perkins making a move. Taking advantage of being open on the was toughened. And the reason why that happened is nobody from the attack.
This program is brought to you by Honda, the official motorcycle of the PBA. PLDT. Smart. And Arena Plus.
Kanino pa, Jay?
Pag pinag-uusapan ang Magnolia at San Miguel, kadalasan nagbabagbakan to for top spots.
Tanim ka ng sibuyas dito?
Ang kwento sa conference natin ngayon, itong dalawang kumpara, naghahabol ng pwesto. Hindi man lang para sa twice to be, pero para makapasok sa ating Magic 8 na hatapon sa quarterfinals. Kaya para sa dalawang kumpara, it's go time. Oras ng manalo at magtipon para nga sa papasok sa ating playoffs. Salamat po sa pagsama-sama dito sa RPTV para sa main game offering of your Sunday doubleheader. Jobs with here together with Coach Ryan Gregorio. Coach, it's unfamiliar territory para sa Magnolia at San Miguel.
Tama yan, nagulat tayo dahil alam naman natin pagdating sa ganitong mga labanan na nakakarami na sila, nasa gitna yan o di kaya nandun yan sa may itaas, naglalabanan sa twice speed advantage or di kaya doon sa at least best of 3. But that is not what is happening in this conference where these two teams, San Miguel,
Ilan lang makapasok ng Troy? 6? Walo lang makapasok, no?
So far in 4 losses. Samantala itong Magnolia naman, very proud franchise din ito. Mas marami,
Grabe naman. Wow.
so far in the first 8 games.
Nandun yung tatlo ah.
Also with the same number of victories at 3.
Mamaya, lalipat pa natin yung kwento tungkol sa kung bakit nandyan yung mga teams na yan. Pero
Pinakain mo na nga,
lalipat natin yung previous game ng Magnolia. Nanalo sila, Coach, in their previous game to start of 2025. Win over Terra Firma.
Pangumpiyansa lang ang nangyari ron dahil nga alam naman natin nagsastruggle din ito Terra Firma and Magnolia eventually finding ways to win in the end, winning by 5 points. They had more free throws. Look at that, 24 free throws made for them and only 8 for Terra Firma. Rebounding plus 20 offensive rebounds also. Totally dominated by Magnolia, 16 compared to only 6 for Terra Firma, which resulted to 17 points for Magnolia in only 9 for Terra.
And when you talk about Magnolia, syempre sa pag-uusapan natin, bukod dyan kay Save Lucero na maganda pinapakita talaga, one of the brightest young stars. Etong si Lucero, he had 17 points and 6 rebounds and perfect from the free throw line.
And that is just amazing, 12 out of 12 from the free throw line. He scattered 70 total points and also was able to get 6 rebounds. And issued 3 assists. And aside from that, in the minutes that he played, his team was actually plus 11. Napakagandang acquisition itong si Xavier Lucero dito sa Magnolia dahil you know that he is a two-way player. He can be aggressive, he can score inside, he can get a lot of fouls na